Hello, and a warm welcome to everyone joining us today. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I'm so glad you're here to embark on this exciting journey into the world of spring vegetables. As we open the gate to a new gardening season, imagine stepping into your own little oasis, filled with the promise of fresh, homegrown produce. This channel is your go-to place for inspiration, tips, and support as you grow your own food, no matter your experience level. Today's video is all about easy spring vegetables to grow. We'll be focusing on beginner-friendly crops that are not only simple to plant and care for, but also quick to harvest. Imagine biting into crisp radishes, tender lettuce, or sweet peas that you grew yourself, all within just a few weeks. The best part? You don't need a huge backyard to get started. Whether you have a spacious garden bed, a handful of containers on your balcony, or even just a sunny windowsill in your apartment, there's a spring vegetable that will thrive in your space. Gardening is for everyone, and I'll show you how to make the most of whatever area you have. Many of these vegetables can be picked in as little as 3 to 6 weeks, so you'll get to enjoy the fruits of your labor and the flavors of spring sooner than you might think. There's nothing quite like harvesting your own food and tasting the difference that freshness makes. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what kind of space you're working with. Are you gardening on a balcony, in a backyard, or maybe even indoors? Your questions and experiences help make this community stronger, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Together, we'll make this growing season a fruitful one, no matter your garden size or your level of experience. So grab your gloves, gather your seeds, and let's dive into the wonderful world of spring vegetable gardening. Let's grow something amazing together. If you're new to gardening or just looking for a quick, rewarding crop, radishes are truly one of the most satisfying vegetables you can grow. Their cheerful colors and crisp, peppery bite make them a favorite for gardeners of all ages and skill levels. Even if you've never planted a seed before, radishes are almost guaranteed to give you a sense of accomplishment in no time at all. All you need to do is sow the seeds directly into the soil, water them, and wait. In as little as 4 weeks, sometimes even less, you'll be rewarded with your very first harvest of crunchy, peppery radishes. Watching the tiny seeds sprout and grow so quickly is a thrill, especially for kids or anyone who loves instant results. The transformation from seed to snack is almost magical. Radishes are incredibly versatile and adaptable. They thrive in containers on a sunny balcony, in raised beds, or even tucked between slower-growing crops in your vegetable patch. Their compact size means you can fit them almost anywhere, and they don't mind a bit of crowding. If you're still learning the ropes, radishes are forgiving and resilient, bouncing back from minor mistakes. For a steady supply, try sowing a few seeds every week or two throughout the season. This simple trick ensures you'll always have fresh radishes ready to harvest, rather than a glut all at once. Succession planting keeps your salads and snacks interesting, and it's a great way to make the most of your garden space. As your radishes grow, thin the seedlings to give each plant enough room to develop those perfect round roots. Don't toss the thinnings. Young radish leaves are tender and delicious, adding a peppery kick to salads or sandwiches. It's a tasty bonus that makes the most of every part of your crop. Explore the world of radishes by trying different varieties, from classic red globes to white icicles, purple beauties, and even watermelon radishes with their stunning pink centers. There's a type for every taste and every plate. Mixing varieties not only adds a splash of color to your garden and meals, but also introduces subtle differences in flavor and texture. Whether you're gardening with kids, looking for a fast-growing crop, or just want to add some excitement to your spring garden, radishes are your go-to choice. Their speed, simplicity, and vibrant appeal make them a true garden classic, and a perfect way to kick off your growing season with a quick, colorful win. Lettuce and salad leaves are truly the backbone of any spring kitchen garden, offering not just beauty and freshness, but also a sense of abundance right from the start of the season. Their vibrant greens and reds bring life to your garden beds, and their rapid growth means you'll be enjoying your first harvests in just a few short weeks. Thanks to their cut-and-come-again nature, you can snip off just what you need for a meal, and the plants will keep producing new leaves for weeks on end. This means you're never short of fresh greens, and you can avoid waste by only harvesting what you'll use that day. There's a huge variety to choose from, each bringing its own unique flavor and texture to your salads. Crisp romaine is perfect for Caesar salads, while buttery Bibb melts in your mouth. Spicy rocket adds a peppery kick, and colorful mixes of red and green leaves make every bowl a feast for the eyes, as well as the palate. Lettuce and salad leaves are incredibly versatile when it comes to where you can grow them. They thrive in traditional garden beds, but are just as happy in containers on a sunny patio or balcony. All they ask for is regular watering to keep their leaves tender, and a little shade during the hottest part of the day to prevent them from bolting. For a continuous harvest, sow a small batch of seeds every fortnight. This simple trick ensures you'll always have young, tender leaves ready to pick, rather than being overwhelmed with a glut all at once. Watching the tiny seeds sprout and grow is a rewarding process, and it's easy enough for even beginner gardeners to master. Lettuce is also a fantastic companion plant. By interplanting it with slower-growing crops like carrots or onions, you can make the most of every inch of your garden. The lettuce matures quickly, providing a harvest before the other vegetables need the space. And its leafy canopy can help shade the soil and suppress weeds. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown salad leaves, picked fresh just moments before you eat them. The crispness, the flavor, and the satisfaction of growing your own food make every salad a celebration of your garden's bounty. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse and thrives in cool spring weather, even with some shade. Sow seeds directly into moist, fertile soil and water well. Harvest as baby leaves for salads or let them mature for cooking. Keep soil damp to prevent bolting. Regular picking encourages fresh growth. Even in limited or shady spaces, spinach will reward you with nutritious leaves. If you like a peppery bite, arugula, rocket, is for you. It's ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. Rocket thrives in containers or tucked between other crops, even on a windowsill. Keep soil moist for tender leaves. Pick young for milder flavor. Older leaves are stronger. Regular harvesting prevents bolting. Rocket's speed and taste make it a spring staple. Asian greens like bok choy are perfect for cool spring days. They mature in as little as 35 days and are great for containers. Sow seeds directly, keep soil moist, and provide some afternoon shade. Succession sao for a steady supply. Try tatsoi or pak choy for variety. Their crisp stems and tender leaves are kitchen essentials. Oriental greens like mizuna, mabuna, and mustard are resilient and quick to grow. They germinate in cool soil and can handle a bit of frost. Sow thinly in rows or scatter in containers. Harvest young leaves in just a few weeks. Mizuna and mabuna add texture. Mustard brings a spicy kick. With some protection, they can last into winter. For variety and resilience, give Oriental greens a try. Strawberries are spring's sweetest treat, and you don't need much space to grow them. Start with young plants for fruit in the first year, perfect for containers or hanging baskets. Plant in rich, well-drained soil in a sunny spot. Keep soil moist and feed every few weeks. Protect berries from pests with netting. Remove runners unless you want more plants. Nothing beats the taste of a sun-warmed, homegrown strawberry. Beetroot offers both sweet roots and tender, nutritious leaves. Easy to grow in beds or containers. Harvest when roots are tennis ball sized. Sow seeds directly, space a few inches apart, and thin seedlings for baby greens. Both roots and leaves are edible. Use roots roasted or raw, leaves like spinach. Try different colors for variety. Water regularly for tender roots. Beetroot is decorative, delicious, and rewarding. Carrots are a classic spring vegetable, loved for their sweetness and crunch. Prefer light, sandy soil. Try short varieties in containers if your soil is heavy. Sow seeds thinly, keep moist, and be patient for germination. Thin seedlings for space and succession, sow for a steady supply. Grow a mix of colors for fun. With care, carrots will reward you with a colorful, continuous harvest. Freshly picked peas are a spring highlight. Sweet and crisp from the pod. Sow seeds early in cool, moist soil and provide simple support. Water well and let the shoots climb. Harvest regularly for more pods. Young shoots and tendrils are edible too. Try sugar snap or mangjitaut for longer harvests. Peas bring beauty and sweetness to any spring garden. Kale isn't just for winter, it thrives in spring too. Sow seeds in modules or directly, then transplant when ready. Kale tolerates sun or partial shade and needs regular watering. Harvest lower leaves first for ongoing growth. Young leaves are great in salads. mature ones for soups or crisps. Kale's resilience makes it a must-have for beginners. Bush green beans are perfect for small gardens or pots and can be sown in spring. They're compact, productive, and don't need supports. Sow after the last frost, keep soil moist, and feed when flowering. Harvest young, tender pods for best flavor. Pick regularly for a generous, ongoing crop. Bush beans are easy and abundant, ideal for limited space. Spring cabbage is sown late summer or autumn and harvested the following spring. Sow in seedbeds or modules, transplant in autumn, and protect from pests. Thin rows in March and use thinnings as spring greens. Harvest as loose greens or let heads form. Spring cabbage bridges the gap between winter and summer abundance. Hardy lettuces withstand cool temperatures. Sow in autumn for a mid-spring harvest. Varieties like Winter Gem and Arctic King thrive in chilly weather. Sow in rows or containers, protect from hard frosts, and keep soil moist. Harvest leaves as they mature for an early crop. Hardy lettuces offer a taste of spring before the garden wakes up.